Okay, here now with Alexis McDermott. She's the Welding Channel Specialist for Dynabrade. Alexis, what are some of the typical products that these GAWDA distributors buy from Dynabrade?
So Dynabrade is a USA manufacturer of industrial power tools. So we fit into the high production level where they're running for at least 8-hour shifts, multiple shifts a day, things like that. For us, we fit into the industry anything that involves weld removal, metal prep, all the way to a finish. So if you have to get to a stainless steel, whatever finish it is, green finish, whatever it is, we sell all of the tools and the abrasives to accomplish those jobs.
Awesome. And have you guys come up with any new programs or anything to help the GAWDA distributors push Dynabrade?
Yeah, so we have a few. We're relatively new to this industry, so a lot of our distributors, it's brand new relationships. We lean really heavily on training. We have 35 guys across the U.S. who go in and do training with the sales teams and things like that. We just launched an education program within the last few weeks for high schools and colleges through our distribution, so I'm really excited to see that go out. And then we're leaning pretty heavily into automation in the industry as well. So most of the distributors in this industry are very used to automation for welding, but now we have the ability for weld removal and finishing through automation.
Awesome. And I think earlier in the year I saw some programs such as like you were doing like a couple products of the month.
Yeah,
like that.
Okay. So every quarter we have promotions especially for our independent distributors, just to help with the engagement, cheaper products, more training, things along those lines.
Awesome. And I remember being trained at Dynabrade back in 2019 or so I know that the training is good. I didn't quite understand it, but if you get a chance, I would definitely go to Dynabrade and get trained on their tools. They're actually really good and impressive stuff, and powerful.
Yeah,
that's what I remember from it. So yeah, that's a quick update here from Dynabrade. Thank you, Lexi, for everything that you do for us at GAWDA Media and for GAWDA. Love seeing you at the shows, and best of luck.
Thank you.
Thank you.